to my channel. Yes, it's been a while since I posted one of these kind of videos. I am super excited to share with you guys. One thing I wanted to start for 2019 is starting to eat a little bit healthier. I want to cut back on fast food. I want to cut back on a lot of the processed food, and I want to start making more homemade meals. Now, the thing that I slack is I don't really know how to make homemade meals very well. My husband's more of the cook of the family, and I'm just like, husband, I'll eat it. And me and him don't really get to eat at the table very often together. So, because he works at nights and I work in the morning, so we always get HelloFresh, which is something we always make around lunchtime. So this is HelloFresh. A lot of you guys have seen this. I have done this before many times. I really enjoy HelloFresh. Now, here's the thing. HelloFresh costs $60 a week if you guys choose 3 meals. That's if you choose just the regular basic meals. 60 bucks is a lot. I know. I would never spend $60. But with my referral link, you guys will actually get $40 off. It's actually like, I think it's $59.95 or something. But with my referral link, you guys will get $40 off. There's a coupon code for $40 off. And you guys will get this for $19.95, which I think is a pretty good deal just to try it. My thing is, try it and then cancel it, unless you guys want to pay more or you find another deal somewhere else. But definitely do this. You guys can get it for $19.95. You get 3 meals delivered to you. You pick what meals you want. They usually have like 12 meals to choose from every week. You guys choose the meal that you want, and then they mail it to you, and they give you instructions, and they give you everything. I've used HelloFresh like crazy, so that's why I continue doing this. But I love sharing with you guys what I get. And then what I do is I make another video showing you guys what the meals look like. I used to make a video showing you how to make them, but it was just too hard because their recipes are a little bit more work than an average person does it, but it's nice to learn. And plus, my husband and I have made new meals with these recipes. I have a little book that I keep all the recipes in, so we can keep going back and remaking these recipes. So I like that. But what they did is they gave me 3 cards to send some meals, so I'm going to actually have some friends who are interested in trying it. I'm going to give it to those guys. If not, I will give them away. But they usually give you like a little card full of some rather random stuff. Now here they got, you can join the wine club or Gray's. I tried Gray's one time. I should probably try it again. I think I'm going to try it again and do a little video, because I want my son to start eating a little bit better, snacking. So we got that. But inside they give you guys the cards. Now the meals we are going to get is the creamy, dreamy mushroom gemelini with scallions and parmesan. Now scallions I always thought were something random, but it actually is not. It's like an onion. And I'm like, oh, okay. And I love mushrooms. So this looks super good. I've been craving pasta like there's no tomorrow. So we got that one. It says it takes about 5 minutes to prep, 30 minutes to cook or get ready. And then it's 780 calories. So this is something, if I really enjoy it, I can go and buy those ingredients at the regular grocery store and make them all over again. So I'm super excited about this one. Now they do have some meat ones that you guys can get. This one was regular. But they do have some that are vegetarian. They do have some with meat. You can play that. And then they have some extra premium meats. So it just depends on if you guys want to do that. If you get the premium meats, you pay $5.99 more a person. So it's up to you. But this is meatloaf a la mom with roasted root veggies and thyme gravy. Now they have, what are these? Potatoes that turn into French fries, and then they have baby carrots. Now I am not a carrots fan, but these actually look like they're carrots that are soft enough, and I actually might eat them. I'm not a carrots fan at all, but if they're super soft, I might put like, I don't know why, but I have ketchup with my carrots, so I might try that. And I'm just a huge fan of meatloaf. So this takes about 15 minutes to prep, 40 minutes to finish the whole total, and then it's 630 calories, so that's another meal that we get. And they do give you step-by-step instructions, and then they also suggest if you want wine, what wine to drink with it, but I don't drink wine. And this is something my husband tried: chicken sausage flatbread with broiled zucchini and fresh oregano. I'm not a zucchini fan, but I will try it. So this will be something quick. It's like 10 minutes to prep, 30 minutes to cook, and that's 600 calories. So that looks like something good. And he's actually learned how to make a lot of stuff with flatbread. So inside the box, they actually give you kind of an insulated box. Now every time I get this box, it's different insulated every single time. I think they're just trying to test out the ways. It also depends on the weather. If you guys have like 100-degree weather outside, they'll make sure, don't ruin that, honey. They'll make sure that they really have it insulated so it sits on your doorstep for a while. It can. But inside, oh, I can smell some of the spices. But inside it's just like regular cardboard. And then what they do is they give you a bag of all the food. So what I'll do is I'll open one of these bags up to show you guys what is inside. So there's what's all in the bag. And then at the bottom, they have like a huge ice pack. Like this is frozen, but yeah, it is like literally it's like 10 degrees outside, but this hasn't even melted at all. And they, Benjamin, stop. And they started shipping this out yesterday. They ship it out and you get it usually like in a day or later that day. But yeah, this hasn't even melted, but that's because it's like 0 degrees or 10 degrees outside. But since we ordered 2 different meals with meat, we ended up getting the ground beef for the meatloaf, and then we also got the sweet Italian chicken sausage for the flatbread. So this is good. Now, Benjamin, go away. I actually got meat one time where it was like ripped open, and I chatted with them, and they actually gave me a credit for that meal. So I got a $20 credit for that meal. So if you guys ever have a problem where you're not satisfied, go upstairs. If you're not satisfied with the meal, just message them. Don't do that. Sorry, my kid is just being a little stinker. Just message them and they will help you. But let me dig in and share with you guys what is inside. We'll open the creamy dreamy mushroom jambalini or whatever. I'm like craving this. I think I might even make this tonight if I know my husband's gonna get done with work early. But inside we got roasted garlic herb butter. So they pretty much give you everything that you need. Now this is a little bit frozen, so you can let that warm up. They give you a package of the noodles. Now sometimes they do give you more noodles or more other items than what you truly need, but hey, you got that. And like I said, if I enjoy making this, I'm definitely going to do this again. They give you 2% milk, so we got that. Here is the green onions. I love green onions, so we got that. Wheat flour. They give you the cheese. Now usually their cheese has like the packaging on here. I'm assuming this is the Parmesan. But usually they have like their own packaging, but sometimes they don't. They just give you the cheese. Here we got cream cheese spread in like a little dish. And then they actually give you a whole thing of the baby Bella mushrooms. So those you just kind of just chop right up. So that's basically what they do. They have it all organized for you. You just got to make sure you have some of the ingredients like salt, pepper, butter. And then, you know, you do waste a lot of dishes. They do have a tendency of wasting a lot of dishes. But you know what? I don't care. I'm eating a lot healthier going this way than if I bought some store-bought stuff. So I had a couple of people say, well, that's expensive, you know, doing HelloFresh. For the $60, yes, because that comes out to be like $20 a meal. That comes out to be $10 a person. Well, if you think about it, if you go to a restaurant, $10 a person is the same price you're going to pay, but you make this yourself. But with the coupon code with $40 off, that's like 20 bucks for 3 meals. That's like, what, $6-ish a person? And then you guys also, you know, split that in half, or $6, was it $6.75 or something for a whole meal? And then if you split that in 2, that's like less, that's about $3-ish a person, and I think that's a pretty good deal. Husband and I really enjoy this. This is something that we can do that's bonding, plus it's something that we can learn to make on our own, and I just love it. I love HelloFresh. I do want to try another company sometime soon, but I have a lot of credit to use for HelloFresh, but I love using these. So if you guys are interested, definitely click my referral link below so you guys can join HelloFresh for 20 bucks. Just make sure you guys cancel it after you get your box, or right away just cancel it, just to say you wanted to try it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I do. Please stay tuned for an updated video of the 3 meals that we make. We'll give you guys a look at what they look like and what they taste like in our opinion. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.